Hi, my name is Stacy Allred, and today I'm going to be showing you my website that I have built this semester, which is called Hold the Flower. Hold the Flower is a brand that I created a couple of years ago and have been since using really just mainly on Instagram, but this semester I have been working obviously on this website to get it going on a blog as well as on Facebook. So it's been a really cool semester to see the growth for me. But so again, Hold the Flower is this brand that I created. I have celiac disease, and I have had so many friends through the years ask for recipes, and overall, like, health and wellness and fitness is very important to me, and I'm a huge advocate for those things. And this is just another tool that I have been able to find useful in sharing those things. Again, my website is new, and so I am excited to apply everything that I've learned this semester to be able to continue posting on this and letting it grow. This is my homepage. It just has a picture of me and a little bit about me and who I am and what this website's about. My contact me page, if it will load, is also very simple, but again, I hope to be adding things to it. So on the left side here, you can see that there's a way for them to reach out and contact me. And then there's a way for them to subscribe to the blog. And then there's on this side over here on this bar, is a way for them to see recent posts that have been on my Instagram Hold the Flowers page. And this is something that is updated so frequently that I'm just happy that I can connect the two, and was really glad to learn that I could connect my Instagram to the blog, and to kind of show how fluid that is and how connected they are. One of my pages over here is about recipes, and these are 3 of my favorite recipes and 3 recipes that I share all the time. So that's why I decided to start with these. And each one obviously has this the visual icon, and then when clicking on them, it has the directions and the ingredients that they will need. So again, that's on my recipes page, and they're all similar to how that page was. Another page that I have is fitness. And again, this is super basic, but I'm excited to get going on this because I've wanted to do it for a long time. And so now that I've learned how, I hope to keep implementing these tools and the skills I've learned in this class. And this is just a little bit about why fitness is important to me, and how effective it can be when we have partners to keep us accountable and things like that. So that is a basic rundown of my website. And again, it's simple, but I'm really happy that I was able to do it. I had a lot of technical issues throughout the semester, but thankfully they have been resolved, and I'm really happy with what I have. Even though it's simple and just starting out, I'm excited to see it grow. Thank you so much.